Administrative images create tailor-made installation packages from the source SOLIDWORKS installation files. SOLIDWORKS 2022 brings exciting new enhancements to this process that make deployments more powerful, flexible, and organized. SOLIDWORKS 2022 offers two new options for deploying administrative images: remote client and compressed. The remote client administrative image type was created specifically for remote users. It automatically downloads the bulk of the installation files from SOLIDWORKS servers instead of your company VPN. The compressed administrative image contains all of the same components of the standard image, but in a reduced size, which allows for easier sharing. Staying organized is key to a successful deployment scheme. SOLIDWORKS 2022 allows you to create multiple nested groups that reflect your company's preferred hierarchy. Drag and drop makes rearranging items easy and convenient. Each subgroup inherits the settings of the parent groups. This makes editing the administrative image simple and reduces the user XML file size, making deployments even faster. In this example, most users won't need these packages to be installed, so we uncheck them in the global settings. However, our users will need access to the SOLIDWORKS PDM server. And now in SOLIDWORKS 2022, we can even create a vault view after installation. No need to run any extra custom scripts. The electrical engineers will need the SOLIDWORKS electrical client installed. Because of the nested structure of the options editor, this is done by checking a single box for the whole group. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2022, the user interface gives a clearer indication of what electrical products will be installed. You can still choose to deploy manually or automatically, and of course, these tabs reflect the nested structure of the Setup tab, making it convenient to deploy to the correct users or groups. SOLIDWORKS 2022 makes creating, editing, and deploying administrative images easy and powerful, with better end-to-end support for software packages, improved organizational tools, and flexible new image types.